If you're a WordPress user, you'll eventually hear that you need to back up your website. In this video, you'll learn what backups are, why backups are so important, how often you should back up your WordPress website, and how to actually back up your WordPress website using a WordPress plugin. This is Elliot with Verpex, and let's get straight into it. Think of backing up your WordPress website as a form of insurance. If anything goes wrong with your site, you always have a backup of it so that you can restore it to exactly where it was. The most common reasons for backing up your WordPress website are in case it gets hacked, making mistakes in your website's code, or installing a WordPress plugin that causes an error. Having a backup of your website can help you restore it to the version it was before it got hacked, or before there were any mistakes in the code, so that you can continue working on your site. How often should you back up your WordPress website? When it comes to backing up your WordPress website, you're going to want to back it up at least once per week. However, if you are working on your site daily, then you should be backing it up daily as well. A lot of web hosts will also offer daily backups. For example, here at Verpex, we offer daily backups on our cloud hosting and even WordPress hosting plans. However, you shouldn't be relying solely on your web host's backup plans alone. You should always have a contingency plan and be backing up your WordPress website yourself as well. How to back up your WordPress website. So in order to back up your WordPress website, you can use a plugin. So from your WordPress dashboard, you can just go over to plugins and click on add new. From here, you can search for the plugin called UpdraftPlus with no spaces, and you will see UpdraftPlus WordPress backup plugin. Just click on install now, and once the plugin has finished installing, just click on activate. Once the plugin has been activated, you will see UpdraftPlus settings. You can click on press here to start. Once you click on this, you will be brought over to a page that looks like this. You might need to scroll down a little bit, and from here all you are going to do is click on backup now. Make sure both of these boxes are ticked, and then click on backup now again, and then it's just going to take a little while to go and back up your site. Once the backup has been completed, you will see your backups down the bottom here, and you can click restore to that version of the site at any time. You can also go and download any of the files that have been backed up. So that is how you can back up your WordPress website in 2023. If you have enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more WordPress related content and give the video a big thumbs up. This has been Elliot with Verpex, and I'll see you in the next one.